Hi everyone, in this video I will share how to enable wake screen when get notification on Realme C51, Realme C53, Narzo 60 and other Realme Android 13. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Okay, to enable wake screen for notification, first you open settings menu. Okay, next you scroll, you open display. Okay, next you open lock screen. Okay, next you scroll. Okay, in wake screen for notification you tap enable. Yup, next I will test. Okay. Yup, successfully. Again. Yup, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.